Hello, myself Ritik Chakraborty, team leader, team Adisho, team ID E011. Here we are coming up with an innovative plan entitled as SDW or Self Defense Weapon. This is our team information. Team leader Ritik Chakraborty and all the crew members Ishita Sen, Sushoban Pal, Aniket Chattopadhyay and Shubham Cha. So, what the plan is? Nowadays, in this pandemic like situation, the wars war against corona increase the demand of mask, gloves, and sanitizer. Nowadays, the demand of all these things are quite higher. So, on these demands, we are coming up with our product SDW self defense weapon, which will contain 2 masks, 2 pair of gloves, 1 sanitizer, and 1 gloves in a single pack. It will create much more acceptability than the individual one, and we can also set up bit higher margin of profit than the individual one, and we help the society as well. So we are launching our product SDW self defense weapon with the advertisement tagline Saman Ek Samadhan Anek. The problems and the area of implementation. The problems which will come in our path to introduce our product. The problems are the starting capital, the liquid money we need to start our startup, and the cost. The cost, if all these things are packed in a single pack, then the cost is little bit higher. So it may not be available for those who are under poverty level. I mean the poverty level, the annual income below 1.5 lakh. And the area of implementation where we can implement the idea or we can implement our product to achieve a great success. The areas which are under the red zone according to our government, the all containment zone, like the cluster area mainly, and mainly the cities and the subdivisions. There are individual products which are already exists in the market, but those have some demerits, like the equipments of defend the COVID-19 are available in the market individually. So due to this, the buyer have to run through various shops to get all these things together. Those who are using gloves, they think they don't have any use of sanitizer, and vice versa. So we sell these things are going down towards corona can infect people through eyes, but people are not aware of that, so they never use a glass. So what is our approach? Our approach is to get all these things together to increase the awareness, to increase the protectability. These all things we get sanitizer, glass, mask, and gloves in a single pack with our product. The name is SDW self defense weapon, through which we can create a great acceptability to our product. Because if all these things coming together in a single pack, people want to buy this in spite of individual ones, and this will generate a bit higher profit for our company. Our objective is to generate profit, and our objective is to serve our society in this war-like situation. We are in a war against COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2. So in this war, we need some weapon to protect ourselves. we gave those weapons to the peoples. We give this weapon to our society to protect themselves. We get all the protective equipments together and packed in a single box, which will help people to get protected themselves, get protected their family and their beloved ones. What is the novelty behind our plan? The novelty is, look, people are not aware of everything. As like people are not aware that corona can also infect them through eyes, so they have to protect their eyes, no, but they don't. So we are coming up with our SDW self defense weapon, which will contain a glass. Now people are protected through our product, and we will serve to the society to being protected and win the war against corona. So how we do all these things? Firstly, we will mass produce the sanitizer and borrow the all other equipment from other companies. We are going to tie up. Yes, we are borrowing this all. Now we get all these things together and packed in a single box with our name, with our tag and with our logo, and marketed this. This method will help, in spite of us, the other sectors, the other industries, and as well as us also. The other industries and sectors of societies get help from us. As we mentioned before, our product will help the society in this world. Not only the society, the other sectors and the industries, like the glove industry, like the mask industry, like the small industries who were prepared those glasses for the people, for us. And also the transport sector, the courier services who will deliver this weapon to the people. Thank you. That's all. That's a small introduction of our product SDW. And lastly, it's our advertisement tagline, Saman Ek, Samadhan Anek. We are here to care yourself. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.